Ang maninda sa Central Market. Paano ni ang akon nga chili con carne kinluto? Nasubrahan ko asin, dugangan ko kalamay. Swerte gid ako gali. You know, when we got married, wala gid na yan si Francis galuto. 10 ka bags ang dugo. So amo to ka very tense gid ang amon nga natabo no during when I was giving birth. I want to be remembered siguro someone nga inday sa changed our lives because she listened and she was inclusive sa tanan nga mga sectors naton diri sa Iloilo City.
Hi mga palangga! Another day, another episode naman sa Heartline where we feature inspirational stories of the Ilonggos. Bago kita magsugod, madamog na salamat sa inyong pagsuporta sa aton first 2 episodes of Season 1 kung sa diin ginakilala nato ng aton mga bisita sa patag sang politika behind their platforms, their campaigns, and the political issues thrown at them. Subong naman nga aga, makilala nato ng isa ka makabig naton nga Woman of the Hour sa Iloilo City Subong. We will get to know her childhood, how she is as a daughter, as a wife, as a mother, and the potential leader of Iloilo City. So, hindi na nakon pagpadugayon pa aton kilalahon subong aga ang aton bisita, Inday Raisa Trias. Good morning.
Yes, good morning, Gail.
Good morning, and thank you for the time that you gave us today. Inday Raisa. We will start with the question. This is a personal question for me. Very, very curious lang ko bala as a woman, as a mother, and as a wife, how you handle everything in the campaign period, how you balance everything out. So, ano ka na oras sa gabi gatulog? Kagano ka oras gabugtaw sa aga?
Well, last night, since kadamo mga ideas, kung ano, while balan mo gil, miskan galibot ako, nga ga-campaign, kadamo mga ideas, nga gasulod, no? As they've said, ako ya siguro dasig, kung amo na gani, action agad. Kung may nakita akong opportunity to help, ma-help gadayon. So last night, mga 1 o'clock na ko nakatulog.
Okay.
Kay kadamo pa ko na think kon nga mga ideas.
Actually, Miss Raisa, I did a little bit of stalking sa imong social media account, you know. Kaglain gid bala ang spark sa imong nga mata if you talk about children, if you interact with children. So, if we can do a little bit of a step back and look back down memory lane, right? Ano wala si Raisa, si Inday Raisa, sang bata siya, makulit? You know, is there a core memory from your childhood that you can't forget until now?
Gail ako yung manang sa amon nga family. I have 4 brothers. So, I grew up nga bata palang kuya manang nako.
Okay.
So, ang akon kidya guro core memory is just taking care of my brothers. Kay amo gid na ang role sang akon parents sa akon. So, nag-enjoy man ako kay being the only girl. Ang isa gid guro na akon ka core memory nga ang family bonding namon, and you'll be surprised ang amon gid nga enjoyment sang una Gail ang maninda sa Central Market.
Okay.
No, every Sunday na namon ginaobra, upod na si dad ko, si Mayor Jerry, tanan kami nga mag-utod, nag-upod man ang iban ko nga cousins nga with the same kami nga compound, nag-upod man. And then after na da paninda, may mga kakanina da sa sagwa, mabakal kami kag ang amon gin paninda every Sunday ilutuon na amon for breakfast.
Yeah,
So,
so that's
siguro ang core memory ko ang bonding sang family and ang strong relationship namon gid.
Oh, wow. And you know, we can really see that up to now, right?
Yeah.
That you've all grown, and not just to your direct siblings, but to your cousins as well.
Yes.
Strong knit gid
Yeah.
sang inyo, wala nga relationship.
Yeah.
And bata ka pa lang gali, so you're acting like a mom na to your younger siblings.
Yes.
Was it easy because you're a female, right? Tapos puro lalaki ang imo nga mga manghod.
Duwaay man gid siya naging, waya man gid ako nabudlayan, kay siguro may motherly instinct man ako, no? And ang mga brothers ko, siguro if you spend time with them, and they know naman nga, gina-priority ko gid sila. At an early age ako, nung naiga kadto sila, PTA, sa ila nga mga sports events.
Okay.
Kay ang akon gap sa mon youngest nga si Paolo is 10 years.
Right.
So, naging manang gid kuya sa akon nga mga brothers. Amo na siguro nga sa city, do ay man gid kuya nabudlayan kay manang ako yagil mo.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
manang strong ang manang, gina-take care gid ang family.
Yes.
Amo na nga do innate na lang gid sa akon ang qualities of being a leader kay naging leader man ko sa amon nga family.
Household.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And since busy man ang parents ko, isa ko gid nga i-share, no? At an early age gid ako yung naga-help gid ko cook sa chores na namon sa house. So I remembered I started cooking mga 11 ako. And before, wala pa cellphone. Ang only teacher ko is si Papa, si Mayor Jerry. Nadumduman ko one time kay galuto ko sang food naman kay ginpadako man kami ang Miskan Mayor, si Mayor Jerry or public servant that time. Ay man gid kami damo help sa house kay we were given chores. So kami may panghugas, may galuto. And one time nagluto ako. So first time ko magluto, nadumduman ko gito, chili con carne.
Okay.
And then, unlike subong niya, may pack na lang, mix all, tapos magluto. That time,
From scratch.
gid. Kinasubrahan ko kaasin. So, gintawagan ko si Mayor Jerry sa office. Paano ni ang akon nga chili con carne, kinluto. Nasubrahan ko asin, dugangan ko kalamay. No, hindi pwede. Kaya karon matamis, just add water. So, mga amo na, hindi ko gid malimtan. At an early age, nagaservisyo man kuya sa family ko and I enjoyed nga ginalutuan ng mga brothers ko at
So
an early age.
how's your chicken con carne right now?
Chili con carne.
Chili con carne, how is it?
Dudugay na ko, Gail. Wala. Kaluto.
siguro after when everything's settled and you have enough time, we do another episode of
Chili
chili con carne.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
But I always cook sa balay.
Oh, that's
I really make to a point nga nagaluto man ako sa house. Doong last ko ginluto was ang Holy Week. Bangus nga sardines. Yeah.
Oh wow, my personal favorite.
Personal
Yes,
favorite mo.
personal
So it's my first time nag-follow ako sa isa ka recipe sa TikTok. So I was
TikTok
yeah.
Okay.
So sometimes you read recipes.
Yeah.
Yung mga cookbook subong do wala na more on instructional videos na lang sa YouTube or TikTok. So nakita ko man sa post yung TikTok. So sa Holy Week nagluto ako boneless bangus nga sardines and then the other day gani amba ko ay kulang ko to. Pwede pa ko ka-add sili or what. So ma-improve pa ako kay para matry ako sa second time.
So this is like the side of you that maybe not everybody knows, right? You love how to cook, you love to nurture, you love to serve. Not just your family, but everybody around you, right? Just a little bit of a step back. You mentioned as a doctor, Balamis, because I saw one of your interviews where you said na at some point you told Mayor Jerry na nga ginauna mo sila over your family.
Yes.
So when you were younger, right, as a daughter, you mentioned nga ikaw ang youngest siguro nga attendee sa PTAs ng imo nga mga brothers.
Yes.
Was there jealousy for your father's job? Were you jealous at some point sa pumuluyo sang Iloilo kay ginauna sila sang ilang sang imo father over you as his children, and how did you get over it?
I think to I gid na nag-came to a point sa dirat Gil, kay you'll be surprised miskan ano kasako si Mayor Jerry. He spends time with us. So, nadumduman ko and siya, high school memories ko. Mag-abot na siya, naka-uniform pa ako, mastoryanay kami hasta dinner time, sometimes after dinner time. He really spends time with us. And even sang nag-college na ko when I was in Manila, he would call every day. Minimum mga sometimes an hour monstoryahanay. And like also last night nga nag-call man siya, kamusta, how was your day, even nga gaupdanay man kami.
Okay.
Na nag-review man kung ano ang day namon, kag kung ano pang pwede maubra. So ay ginatagan chance nga miskan ang iya nga service, nga miskan ano siya kasako. I think even sa tanan who he works with, he really spends time nga kamustahon ang iban. Kag I think one of his skill gid ina no nga kanami man naton i-develop nga he really makes time for everyone.
Oh, that's good. That's good to know. Thank you for giving us a little bit of a preview of how Mayor Jerry is as a dad, and I think it resonates to you and how hands-on you are also to your siblings. And now you have your own little family, right? And based sa amon nga stalking sa Facebook, lain ang sparks ng imo nga eyes kung upod mo ang imo nga husband si Sir Francis and si Thea into the picture. So can you please tell us more about your little family? You mentioned your father is very endearing to you. You're the only daughter, right? And then you're the eldest at that. How did he take it when you introduced Sir Francis?
Well, at first, siya man nag-open up nga he wanted to meet Francis. Because at that time, the 30 plus na ako, no? When I met him, si Papa Kuya do very open man. Ang iya lang ya nga gusto nga daw. Ang parehas man ang dreams ang isa ka father nga palanggaon ikaw, i-take care ang iya nga daughter. Kag amo gid na ang ginagol man ni mama ko sa akon nga hindi ka gid mangita nga less than kung ano man pagpalangga ni papa mo sa imo.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then I'm very grateful man nga ang tanan ko nga prayers, ang tanan nga prayers ang family ko na hatagan gid ako ni Lord nga someone nga si as a person nga si Francis kay very supportive husband gid siya Gail.
Yes. You mentioned you got married 30s ka na.
Yes, 35.
You were in a relationship with Sir Francis for
3 years.
For 3 years prior to marriage.
Yeah.
Was it worth the wait? What made you say yes to Sir Francis?
I think ako daan medyo choosy man ako, no. But I saw nga ang tanan ko nga mga qualities nga ginapangita ara man sa iya. Since strong akong personality, I also really prayed nga for a strong person man nga who can also support me. Kaya gusto ko man someone nga ka-level ko man. Also someone nga maka help improve pagid sa akon and bring out the best in me. I think amo gid na ang si Francis ako, no. He always makes sure nga wala ina gid na sugarcoat ang things. Prangka na siya. Kaya niya man lang gusto nga pa mayuhon pagid ako as a person.
Yeah, that's nice. So two strong people bonded together, united together to form a partnership.
Yes, right? And siguro kag isa pa Gail, no. Si Francis in his own personal capacity likes to help also. So sa mga calamities, sa mga sang during the pandemic, nagalabot na to siya sang una sa mga Cebu or sa mga Eastern Visayas to help sa mga kung may mga calamities, kung may mga bagyo, in his own personal capacity, because he really wants to help, hindi lang ang mga Ilonggos, but very helpful heart gid siya.
Oh wow, so I think that's a match made in heaven, right? Just curious, who said I love you first sa inyo?
By the way, ko nadumduman.
Pag tulog ka, parang okay na. May connection na.
Hindi man, kay different backgrounds kami.
Right.
So, but I think ang nag-intindihan is the values and our beliefs sa service, and then sa community, and then sa family man.
Okay, that's good. So you hambagan nila, you will know if a woman is loved, right?
Yes.
If she radiates at the sound of the name of her husband. So I can see that when we talked about Sir Francis, laini mo glow.
Last night amo nang hamba ko siya. Swerte gid ako gali. You know, nice. When we got married, wala gid na yan si Francis galuto. So when we did our fertility, we had to go to Manila. Our doctors here in Iloilo recommended na we should go to Manila for second opinion. So we stayed there for almost a year, no? Francis nag-step up gid kag nagluto gid, no? And then first time in his life nga he was able to cook na, and then until now he loves to cook for us and his family and our friends also.
Oh, that's nice. What's important is he enjoys it.
Yes.
And you know, this strong bond, this strong marriage produced one beautiful blessing,
yes.
si Thea.
Yeah.
Can you take me back to when you had her? What was the feeling like?
Thea, actually meaning gift from God. Kay nag-fertility gid kami, and we really prayed hard for Thea. Si Thea Gil is a premature. So when she was born, tanan kami na stress kid because na emergency delivery. Kay at that time I had preeclampsia. So all my numbers sa laboratory nag-shoot up. Hindi na sila kabalo how to control it. Kay amo nang preeclampsia, no?
Yes.
And also at that time I had cholecystitis. Ang akon nga gallbladder may nagsangal nga bato. So nabudlayan sila what to do, kay it's two different procedures, and I was pregnant. Iobrihan bala nilang gallbladder ko because I was just 32 weeks, or ipagwaon nilang baby, will the baby survive? So that time nag-family conference kami with doctors and my family. And ang priority, kung anong amon priority. But thankful nga that time, with the guidance man ni Lord, nga on the day nga iabrihan ako, kay nagtaas ng mga numbers ko sa preeclampsia ko, nagnaog man ang bato sa akon nga gallbladder. Okay. So at least isa na lang ka procedure, because our main doctor that time was saying na if she'll do another surgery after giving birth, hindi na ma-survive. Kaya syempre that time gil akon nga mga red blood cells, though very low, though I think in 30s. So kilanlan ko tugungan mga 10 ka bags ang dugo. So amo to ka very tense gid ang amon nga natabo, no, during when I was giving birth. And very grateful gid nga si Thea is now a very strong and healthy baby. Kay amo gid ang gid-pray namo, no. Even if she was in the NICU for more than a month, subong daw hindi na mahalata nga premature gali siya, because she's tall for her age, and mayo man ang iya nga development.
Yes, I can see that she's actively joining your rallies. She's
Yes.
actively interacting with people.
Yeah.
So how are you as a parent to her? Because of course miracle na gid ya ang, I mean, it was really divine miracle that saved her and yourself when you had her. And while she was growing up, how
Yeah.
are you as a parent to her?
That's true, Gil. Actually, nalipat ko mag-share kay Ina. Ang natabo sa akon was miracle gid. Nga even ang sa hospital, ginobra nila case study because it's the first time nga natabo sa ilang hospital. And isa lang ko no ang ilang gin agrihan after nila gin deliberate ang case ko nga I had an angel.
And now that Thea is a year and a half,
She's turning
Two.
2
Yeah.
this June.
yeah, I can, and she already has a personality of her own.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So, what kind of parenting style are you using for her sa iya subong?
Ang amon man lang subong no, like I've said earlier, medyo ginatudluan ko na siya on values, and then hindi na ang may mga boundaries nga hindi pwede nga amo lang ni perme, you have to share, you have to also mga simple nga mga greetings, you say please and thank you, mga little gestures nga maging as I hope nga magdako siya, madalaya pa. Ang what surprised me kay isang isa kagabi, natuyo na siya. But naghambal gid siya gyapon. Dede, please. Kay in our household, hindi na pwede nga mahambal ka lang dede.
Yeah.
And there's no please, hindi ka na naman paghihatag. So in anything, so you had to say please, and then she responds thank you, and then and then you have to say welcome kay sometimes siya pa mauna kay wala ka nag-welcome. Yeah, so
because they are a creature of habit, right?
Yes,
So, whatever you instill.
yeah, so I think ang foundation nga ang ako niya nga ginaobra kay Thea, one of gintudlo man ni mama ko sa akon nga sa imo free time when you're at home, spend time kagid sa iya, no matter ano ka kakapoy or what, kay ang connection mo para may ara kagyapon bond with your daughter.
Oh wow, that's nice. Piece of advice from your mom.
Yes.
And I think looking back when you also shared earlier na Mayor Jerry, despite his very busy schedule, spends time to you and to your siblings. That somehow maybe inculcated at the back of your head, and now you're doing it to your child,
Yes.
right? Okay, so ang masadya dire Inday Raisa, in the next few days, in the next few weeks, kung matakot na ni ang campaign period, by God's grace, you will not be a mother to Thea alone, but you will have a lot of children na kay mangin iloy ka na sang kabilugan nga pumuluyo sang syudad sang Iloilo. Are you ready to take on that challenge?
Like I've said earlier, Gail, ang ako niya nga na dakaan nga I was a manang, no? So I think mag-anagid lang niya sa akon ang role nga maging mother sang syudad, kay I was born nga naging eldest daughter and to serve my family. So it will be a bigger family. And then I agree nga ba mo nga kadako ni nga role, but siguro in nature ko na lang gid ni kay and also having last time I was the one handling our business with how many employees. So though ang akon nga parenting style ginhatag ko man sa mga employees not sa namon, so it wasn't just a boss relationship but more on a family type of relationship nga ginobra ko man sa amon nga business. So maybe it will be the same nga like I've said earlier, simple things nga problems ang isa ka nga mother nga may ASD nga bata, if ginapanumdum ko man on how to help them, maging bigger ang scope, mas madamo problems, but I think and I feel na I am ready kay kadamo man ako mga experiences na and mga programs nga na-develop na in the past. Like I've shared with you earlier, may isa kita nga program daan nga gusto man nga i-launch, no? Ang aton nga mga SPED centers for daycares naton for early intervention. Isa siguro kay nakita naton kay nag-focus kita sa mental health program. And we saw nga it goes hand in hand gali, no? Ang aton nga mga parents nga sa aton nga mga kids with ASD, autism spectrum disorder, may magali sila man ginaagyan nga mental health problems. Kaya sometimes they blame themselves. And hindi sila kabalo kung anong obrahon. So that's why nga nakita ako nga dako nga venue nga pwede man naton nga mabuligan ang aton nga mga kids with ASD kay isa ni ka sector nga do ay pagid natutukan.
That's nice, no? Because you're looking at two sides of the coin, right? Especially the most important side who are mothers. Kasi sila gid yung backbone sa aton nga mga children with ASD. And that's a very significant move for the city government of Iloilo to offer this kind of service for free, which is very expensive if you get it professionally.
Ang mga doctors, I've heard, mga 6 months kung kisa magpa-schedule. And in Manila, ang tanan nga mga centers, may mga friends ako with kids nila with ASD, dugay man magpa-schedule miskan therapy lang. So our plan is to develop SPED centers, daycare centers with early intervention on all our districts here in Iloilo. Kay as of now, may ara kita dara sa Molo, but we'll make it more convenient. Kag since hindi pagid very ang aton nga program bala, we'll make sure man nga may mga SPED teachers na kita, kag may proper nga program nga para mas madamo pagid kita nga mabuligan. Actually, amo na yung nag-enjoy ko, Gil. Problem solving. Maybe because background ko operations. For me, kung anong problema, dapat may solusyon dayon. Hindi pwede nga basan. Kung pwede subong solusyonan. Kag kung ano pagid ang pwede, sometimes out of the box solutions, kay naanad kita, like if it's government, kadamo sang process. But like I've said earlier, partners with schools, collaborations, para mas dasig ang process. Kag mas madamo kita mabuligan.
So what I'm hearing is potential leader who is a born mom, who is born with motherly instincts, a potential leader who is a problem solver, and a potential leader who is nurturing in person, even behind the politics. So muni ang kind of leadership that you will bring to the table.
Which I shared earlier, gani, no? Very nurturing kay Miss Candy Iloilo City. Ga-extend kay it's innate na siguro, Gil. It's innate nga mag-help. I grew up nga si Mayor Jerry Treñas, was in public service. Nadakan ko na ni ang amo ni nga pag-public service. So amo na nga hindi na mabudlay sa akon kay second in nature ko na.
One common question gid sa wong is not, though the politics now is very inclusive, there's presence of women in politics, but coming from you firsthand, is it difficult for women to make a mark in the field of politics?
Siguro as sa mayor, mabudlay, Gil. Kay ever since like here in the history sa Iloilo, waay pa nakadaog nga mayor nga babae. But because ang global trend subong like sa New Zealand may mga presidente ng mga babae, lain-lain nga states, mga countries, mga babae naman nga leaders, it paved the way man sa mga women leaders subong. So double the effort. But if they see siguro Gail nga in your heart ang imo nga pag-service sa mga Ilonggos ara mahapos man kwaon ang mga Ilonggos kay nakita man nila nga sincero man ang aton pangimanwa diri sa syudad.
Siguro just a very curious question before I go to my last question, right? In terms of your leadership style, how is it the same or how is it different from the leadership style of Mayor Jerry?
I think mostly the same kay syempre dako man ang influence si Mayor Jerry Trania sa akon. But ang maglain lang siguro kay may compassion of a mother. So ang tanan nga values on determination, hard work, inclusivity, ang maging lain pagid sa akon kay compassionate leadership, kay ang strength of a father and with a compassionate leadership of a mother.
Wow, so strength of a father, and not just a father, it's Mayor Jerry Trias, coupled with a compassion of you as a mom.
Yes.
Wow, that's good. Very promising and very good combination, Inday Raisa. So sa ulihin, no, when everything will settle down, when you go back to your house to be with your daughter, pagkatapos ining tanan, how do you want to be remembered?
I want to be remembered siguro someone nga Inday Raisa changed our lives because she listened and she was inclusive sa tanan nga mga sectors naton diri sa Iloilo City.
Thank you so much, Inday Raisa, for your time, and I hope that God bless your heart's desires and you will have your heart's desires in the upcoming elections and even after elections. And thank you for making yourself available in the service of the Ilonggos.
Thank you, Gail, and I'm very honored to be your guest sa imong third show, and I hope we will inspire more women to join sa public service kay kilanlan pagid mas madamo pagid nga women kay lain man ang brand of leadership sa mga babae.
Exactly. Yeah, that's right. And I hope we can send that message across to our viewers.